Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure you have posting rights on the profile or page. That prevents later permission errors. Once done, paste your final copy into LinkedIn's Composer and attach image, or a link so formatting appears correctly. Also pick hashtags and any it mentions now because edits later can alter reach. Make sure to set the desired time zone before scheduling to align with audience behavior. This saves rescheduling and avoids posting at odd hours. Now choose LinkedIn Schedule option or open your approved third-party scheduler. This is where precision matters. If using LinkedIn, pick date and time, then preview to check line breaks and image crops. This reduces reposting. If using an external tool, grant correct page permissions and confirm post mapping to the right account, because wrong mapping posts to an unintended audience. Once scheduled, verify the draft entry in your scheduled posts list so you can monitor or adjust timing before it goes live. Finish by double-checking the scheduled queue. Confirm the displayed time zone and media render exactly as you intended so the post publishes correctly. If you spot an error, edit or cancel immediately and reschedule. This prevents duplicate content and brand mistakes. After the post publishes, monitor engagement metrics to learn best times and content types. This iterative feedback loop improves future scheduling. Troubleshooting tip: if a scheduled post fails, check account permissions and reconnect the scheduler, then requeue the post.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.